Futures Factory is set to transform the footwear industry, empowering creators and fans to actively design the future of footwear. As we get ready to unveil the pioneers, your gateway into a cultural revolution and a dynamic role in the creator economy and footwear industry, we welcome you to join our movement. With 5 distinctive families including a total of 5,555 pioneers, each family with its unique traits and roles, the possibilities are endless. The architects, known for their leadership and wisdom. The manufacturers, focused on engineering and production. The designers, where creativity and design innovation are paramount. The athletes, relentless in their pursuit of performance. And the trailblazers, always at the forefront when it comes to style. Being a pioneer offers a wide range of benefits such as co-creation, voting rights, access to 3D files, IRL events, and many other experiences. As you level up your dynamic pioneer, you'll unlock exclusive perks. The time has come to explore, evolve, and build together. Become a pioneer and design the future of footwear with Futures Factory.